Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading flat to positive on Thursday after witnessing a couple of whiplash sessions in the past as the US lawmakers have rallied behind spot BTC ETF products. Bitcoin traded above $26,000 crucial support level. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.5% at 34,150 points. In an interesting piece of news, Coinbase's Layer 2 blockchain has recently integrated Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol on its network. With the introduction of CCIP on Base, developers will be able to securely create cross-chain apps, enabling them to experiment further and discover new use cases. Meanwhile, Rep. Patrick McHenry, who heads the United States House Financial Services Committee, has threatened the SEC with a subpoena over documents related to Sam Bankman-Fried. McHenry claimed that SEC Chair Gary Gensler has choked off the digital asset ecosystem. Another news in support of crypto was the bankruptcy judge allowing crypto lender BlockFi to repay its customers. Estimates show BlockFi owes up to $10 billion to over 100,000 creditors, including $1 billion to its three largest creditors and $220 million to bankrupt crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital. Moving on, Binance has announced its exit from Russia by selling its Russian business to newly launched exchange COMEX, though no financial details were disclosed. In cooperation with COMEX, Binance will instruct customers on how to transfer their assets to the recently established exchange. In a positive development, the spot Bitcoin ETF application from Franklin Templeton, a global asset manager with $1.5 trillion under management, has been officially accepted by the US SEC. This move takes place as the SEC also evaluates requests for spot cryptocurrency ETFs from other businesses, including Hashdex. Though the VDAs have managed to tide over immediate concern, but the underlying factors remain uncertain. Three major factors, the interest rate, oil price, and the US dollar, continue to be unsupportive. The 10-year US Treasury yield hit a cycle of 4.64%, representing its highest level since August 2007, which makes risky assets less attractive. Interestingly, the first hard fork of Bitcoin Cash, has recently witnessed an increase of more than 8% in the past 24 hours as whales have been accumulating Bitcoin Cash in big numbers, data from Sentiment reveals. The data shows that cryptocurrency whales with holdings of 100,000 to 10 million BCH collectively possessed 3.74 million BCH in the past week. US stock futures were trading mixed while building on the steep losses from the previous session as an uptick in treasury yields and oil prices dented investor sentiment. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.20%. The S&P 500 edged up 0.02%, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 0.22%. Bitcoin was trading at $26,400, up by 0.7%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1%, trading at $1,606. Solana Sol was up 1.6% and was trading at $19.3. However, BNB was down by 0.6% to trade at $211. Cardano's 88 token was down by 0.6% to trade at $0.24. Talking about Avalanche, Avaxit was trading at $9, lower by 0.7%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 0.5% to trade at $0.50. Next on the list, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3% at $0.060. Shiba Inu was trading down by 0.3%, and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.49, down by 0.8%. Last on the list, we have Polkadot. It was down by 0.2% to trade at $4. Well, that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such Web3 market-related updates, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
Avantis Labs, a decentralized finance derivatives ecosystem, has raised $4 million in a seed funding round led by Pantera Capital, according to Sehit Singh, the company's co-founder and CEO. The funding was also funded by Founders Fund, Galaxy, Coinbase's Base Ecosystem Fund, and Modular Capital. The cash will be used to expand Avantis, a continuous trading and market-making protocol. Avantis is developing a protocol to cater to complex, sophisticated on-chain risk managing and yield hunting individuals, allowing currencies and commodities to be hedged and traded on-chain without the requirement for tokenization. The protocol will extend the leverage trading mechanism to real-world assets and make it more sophisticated, dubbed the Uniswap V3 movement for LPs of these leverage systems. This will make it easier to manage and trade these assets without the need for tokenization. Aptos Foundation is partnering with Tala Labs to establish a $1 million fund for the development of new DeFi protocols to boost its ecosystem development. Tala Labs and the Aptos Foundation are launching a fund to incentivize developers to create unique strategies and use cases using the Aptos Layer 1 blockchain. The fund, which will be boosted to $5 million, is expected to launch over 5 new DeFi protocols on Aptos. Tala Labs will offer up to $250,000 per project, catering to projects of various sizes and go-to-market strategies. The fund also aims to provide tailored support for advanced MVPs. The Aptos Foundation has already announced over $20 million in grants for artists interested in developing projects using the blockchain. Aptos, a developer-friendly programming language, was created within Meta and is backed by Andreessen Horowitz. Tala Labs raised $6 million to build on Aptos last year. The MENA region is increasingly adopting cryptocurrency due to its potential to protect wealth in unstable currencies or high inflation rates, while economically stable countries like the UAE are more inclined to explore innovative and investment-oriented applications. A chain analysis report reveals that the region received approximately $389.8 billion in on-chain value from July 2022 to June 2023, accounting for nearly 7.2% of the global transaction volume during the study period. The MENA region has 3 countries in the top 30 of this year's index: Turkey 12th, Morocco 20th, and Iran 28th. UAE is the largest standout with a higher share of crypto activity on decentralized finance protocols compared to its neighbors except Israel.